Hello. For today's video, we're going to be going over addition and subtraction with positive and negative numbers. So for our first lesson, we're going to be going over addition with positive and negative numbers. So you could be adding a negative number and a positive number, or you could be adding a negative number and a negative number, or a positive number and a positive number. But in this video, we're going to talk about how to add negative plus positive. So what you would do is, because of the commutative property that you learned in previous years, this 5 and this -4 can be switched around. So the 5 will go here in front, and then the -4 will go here. So it will become 5 minus 4 because of the commutative property, and that equals 1. So -4 plus 5 equals 1. This is one of the ways you could do it. You could also do it with a number line. So for a number line, what you would do is you would start at -4, which is here, and you would go to negative, and you would add 5. So you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you get to the number 1. So your answer is 1. So here are 3 practice problems for you to try on your own. Try them out and we'll come back and go over them after you pause this video. So now that you have paused this video, let's get started. So this one, the same thing would occur. You would do positive in front of the negative. You get 2 minus 6 here, which is a little different from what we had before. So if you go back to the number line, so now that we have our number line, what you would do is you would start at 2 and you would do minus 6. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 minus 6 would be -4. So -6 plus 2 would be -4. For this one, you could also go back to the number line. So for this one, you would do 1 minus 10, as we talked about before. Start at the number line, start at 1, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get -9 as your answer. So for this one, it would be the same thing. It would be 2 minus 4. So it would be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer would be -2. Our next topic is subtraction. Subtraction is basically addition of negative. So what you do is you do -4, but instead of doing a subtraction sign, you could turn that into a positive sign, and you would just make the 5 negative, addition of the negative. So -4 plus -5, so it would be -9 as your answer. So -4 minus 5 is -9. This can also be seen visually with a number line. So what you can do is you can take -4 and you can subtract 5. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's much easier to use the trick than the number line because the number line takes more time, but whatever you feel comfortable with. So here are a few practice problems for you to try on your own. Pause this video and we'll go over them in a few minutes. So for this one, it would be -6, and then you could just do plus -7. And in the previous video, you learned how to add with negatives. So the answer would be -13. So for this one, it would be negative 15 plus negative 9, which equals negative 24. For this one, would be negative 4 plus negative 2. So the answer would be negative 6. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next week for information on how to multiply and divide negative and positive numbers.